With just 1,000 cedis, you can buy 254 shares from MTN Ghana. You can buy 31 shares from Total Ghana. You can buy 104 shares from GCB Bank Ghana. You can buy 961 shares from SIC. You can buy 61 shares from Access Bank. And then you can buy 2 shares from New Gold Issuers. And then you can buy 29 shares from Benso Oil. Now, guys, I know you guys are worried about the way Treasury bills rates have dropped. If you check my page just today, I posted the latest Treasury bill rate, and the rate is around 9% for 91 days, around 11 and also 11 for 182 days, and then 364 days. People are asking, Patrick, where can we invest? For the last 1 week, I've been doing videos on shares. In this video, I'm going to share with you more details about how you can buy shares. If you are watching the video for the very first time, please try and subscribe to this channel. If it's on YouTube you are watching, subscribe, share the video. If it's on TikTok, make sure you repost this video so that someone else gets to know of the good news. Now, as you all know, Treasury bill rates have been dropping. It means that returns that you are getting on Treasury bills have dropped. It started from around 26% in January. As we speak, it's around 9%. What are the options for you? One of the options that you can consider is to buy shares. Shares basically mean that you are investing in another company. If you want to invest in shares in Ghana, the rules are very simple. The process is very simple. You need to be able to invest in shares through what we call stockbrokers. Stockbrokers are licensed institutions that help people to buy shares. So a number of them, and if you watch my video, a number of them, IC Wealth, Republic Securities, Blackstar app, a number of them. You can go to any of them. Some of them, they have apps, so you can go to your app store, search for any of them. Those that have apps, you can download it. So that's how you search for the brokers. You get the brokers, either you go to the app store or you call them. Once you get through to the broker, you'll be asked to open what we call the brokerage account. Brokerage account is like a shares account. You fund the account by opening it with your KYC. So you go through it with your Ghana card, you've opened the account, you have to put money in the account, and then you give instruction to the stockbroker to buy the shares on your behalf. So you can either tell them the shares that you want, or you can tell them that they should advise you on the shares that will work for you based on your goals. Again, if you are going to shares are not fixed income investment. What it means that there's nothing like a predetermined return that you get from shares. It's not like Treasury bill where I know it's 10%, I'm getting 10%. Shares is based on two things. One, the share price. So you are buying the share at, let's say, 1 cedi. If the share price goes to 2 cedi, 3 cedi, and you decide to sell, that is how much you make. That's the margin between how much you bought it and the price that you are going to sell it. That's what you call capital gain. So that's the first reason why you want to invest in shares. The second reason why you want to invest in shares is also the fact that if the company makes profit and the board decide that they are going to share the profit to you as a shareholder, you gain dividends. So that's also another reason. So if you are going to shares, keep at the back of your mind that it's a long-term investment, even though it has some short-term features, because if the price is going up shortly, you can sell it and make some gains. But ordinarily, shares are for long-term. So keep that in mind as you go into it. Just as the price of a share can go up, the same way the price of a share can drop. So if you are looking at shares for a very long time, if it's dropping, sometimes you don't rush, you wait for it to settle and go up again. MTN shares started from 2.5 Ghana cedis in the beginning of the year. It went all the way to about 3.2. It dropped to 2.9. As we speak, it's 3.93. That's how shares work. So if you are buying shares, keep at the back of your mind that that's how shares work. Again, another thing that you need to keep in mind when you are going to shares is what you call liquidity. Liquidity means that you want to sell your shares. Not all shares have liquid features. It means that some shares, if you want to sell them, it will take a bit of time before you can sell them. Others, because people are very much interested in it, like MTN, anytime you want to sell it, you can always sell it. The next thing you also want to keep in mind is that the fact that you put money in your brokerage account does not mean that you get the shares to buy. The shares are on availability. So if they are available on the market, someone is willing to sell, then the broker will let you and you can buy it, or they can buy it on your behalf. So the fact that you put 10,000 cedis in your brokerage account does not mean that tomorrow the shares will be available to you. Once the shares are available, they will ask you to buy. So sometimes if the share that you want to buy is 1,000 shares, you can be buying it in bits. Today 50 is available, you buy it. The next day 30 cedis is available, you buy it. So that's how the shares are accumulated over a period of time. So as I said from the beginning, let me just tell you, if you have 1,000 cedis and you want to buy shares today, and you want to go into any of these shares, let's just go through them. MTN, currently, the share price is 3 cedi, 93 pesos. It means that you'll be able to buy 254 shares. Total, as we speak, a share price is 31.93 Ghana cedis. It means that if you want to use 1,000 cedis, you can buy 31 shares. GCB, their share today is 9 cedi 54 pesos. If If you want to buy some today, you can buy 104 shares from GCB. SIC today, their share price is 1 cedi and 4 pesos. If you want to buy SIC, you can buy 961 shares with 1,000 Ghana cedis. If you want to buy Asset Bank shares, their share is 16.37, 16 cedis, 37 pesos. It means that you can buy 61 shares from Asset Bank if you have 1,000 cedis. If you want to go into new gold issuers, they are